how to install a pool safety cover if you have a slide. Now, if you have a pool slide, this assumes that the legs of the pool slide are encroaching into the area where that safety cover would normally sit on the pool deck. And typically speaking, that's going to be around 12 inches to 16 to 18 inches from the edge of the coping to further back onto the pool deck. Now, if you have a slide, but for whatever reason the legs of your slide are even further away than that, then there's a good chance that you don't need any custom alterations to the cover itself. However, the vast majority of pool slide legs are going to be within 8 inches or 10 inches of the edge of the pool, such that you're going to have to make custom measurements to those slide legs, and the cover manufacturer will have to make cutouts for those slide legs in the cover. Now, what makes this unique for this type of pool cover installation? Normally, when you install a pool safety cover, you would stretch the cover out over the pool, and then you would install the long straps first. That's usually the way it would go about. However, when you have a slide, you have cutouts that you've had made for those legs in the slide, and they have to line up perfectly because there's really just no other option there. So normally, if you're installing a pool safety cover that has a slide and has cutouts for the slide legs, that's where you have to start your installation. Put the cover on the pool, stretch it out, and weight it down with buckets of water such that you can orient it properly, but the very first straps that you should be drilling into the ground are the ones closest to the slide legs so that you can ensure that you're getting the best fit possible in that location, because it will be very obvious if you're off. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.